You tell yourself you're working on becoming better. A better version, a stronger version, a more complete version. And it sounds right. It sounds like growth. But sometimes it also feels like you're never quite there yet. Like every version of you is just a drop that still needs fixing. Your brain goes,
Okay, new plan. We become better. More disciplined, more calm, more attractive, more everything. And once we reach that version, then we can finally relax.
your brain has been saying that for a while now. There's nothing wrong with wanting to grow. But somewhere along the way, growth can shift from curiosity into correction, from becoming into fixing. And slowly, you stop relating yourself as a person and start relating to self as a project. Something to improve, something to optimize, something that is always not quiet enough yet. For many people, this idea doesn't come from one dramatic moment. It forms gradually, from noticing that some version of you feel more acceptable than others. And over time, a quiet conclusion appears. Keep improving, keep moving towards something more acceptable. Your brain goes,
Okay, but imagine this. A version of us who has no anxiety, no overthinking, perfect habits, perfect energy, and then we'll finally feel okay.
Meanwhile, you're just trying to get through a normal day. There's a perspective in psychology that sees this differently. Humanistic psychology, particularly the work of Carl Rogers, offered another way to understand self-growth, not the self as something to be fixed, but as something that grows when it feels met and accepted as it is. And in more recent work, self-compassion research points in a similar direction, that people don't only change through pressure, but also through how they relate to themselves while they're changing. So, what if this isn't about becoming someone ideal? What if you are not building a better self, but learning how to take care of someone who is already here? Someone who overthinks sometimes, someone who gets tired, someone who tries, someone who isn't perfect but still fully human. You don't have to become a better version of yourself to be allowed to exist as you are. Growth can still happen, but it doesn't have to come from the idea that something is wrong with you. Maybe this was never about fixing yourself. Maybe it's about learning how to stay with what's already here and letting that to be enough to start from.